they're different levels.
I get back! Get back!
I know, but that is poison it, Riley. We already did that, so. Okay. Okay, no, not yet. Okay. So, Mom, here's what we did that you didn't want to see. Mean. Okay, so we took a bunch of boxes and we stacked them up, and we made our own Angry Bird levels. And down there, and, so now, the boys are going to stand from right there, and they're going to throw their Angry Birds. Okay. No, one at a time. Who wants to go first?
Me!
Bomb, go first. No, one at a time. Okay. Riley gets to go first.
No!
Okay, ready?
He's going to knock it down. Yes!
Okay, Rory, it's your turn. Go. Okay, Rory, it's your turn. Riley! Rory! Okay, go again. Here, I want to go. Here.
Okay.
Fail. Okay, go, Rory. Shut up. Rory, throw it. It's coming down. Rory, we're going to rebuild it, okay? Calm down. Calm down. Rory, you get to do the whole level next by yourself. Why is Ouija down there? I'm Rory, and I like